Gaurang is asking, what's the way to grow a tech YouTube channel in 2020 along with TikTok? Okay, two totally different pieces of software, two totally different channels. On YouTube, it's about that value. Try and create content that's going to give value that nobody else can give. What is the niche that maybe you could potentially tie into that will create content for people to enjoy, get latched into, and enjoy what you're creating? However, I would only recommend at the most one video a day. No more than that. YouTube's a very different channel to pretty much every other social media. All other social medias, I would say, go to town, create as much content as you can. Don't completely saturate it, like creating 100 pieces for Facebook every day, but put out more than one piece of content a day. YouTube, totally different beast. Your audience will get pissed off if they can't see anybody else's content within their feed. So I do know people who will put out, say, 20 pieces of content one after the other on the same day. It's just going to cheese your audience off. They don't want to just see your content in their feed. So they will probably ignore everything that you've put out and jump onto the next piece of content. That isn't you. So putting out one piece of content a day absolutely works on YouTube, but just try and find that niche that you're going to work on in tech and go that way. And if you live in a different country, do it in your home native language as well. There'll be probably less creators doing that than there would be doing it in English, which is obviously a worldwide language. Build that audience. Look for the niche, look for the area where you can give the most value. And if you're passionate about it, what difference does it make if it's specifically for Slovakians or if it's specifically for the English? I would create content for the English because I'm English and I don't speak many other languages. I speak bits and pieces, enough to get by in lots of other languages, but I'm not fluent in any other language. And the same as other people, they might be German, they speak English well, but they speak German really well. So do your content in German. Why wouldn't you? TikTok, however, totally different beast. So you're asking about TikTok as well with tech. So create short 60-second pieces about the tech. But that way you can post more than once a day because, number one, how much can you fit into 60 seconds? So you could create your first video of the day and say, today on TikTok, I'm going to be telling you all about the iPhone 11. I got mine the other day. It cost me X amount of money. It's brand new from Apple. So if you want to know more about how well the camera performs, how well it performs, then come back to my TikTok channel a little bit later on. Bang. Content piece number one, done. Tag it all out. And then you create multiple pieces of content that day, all about your iPhone 11 and what it's capable of doing, how good the camera is one way, how good the camera is the other way, all that kind of stuff, and get as much content out as you possibly can. 3, 4, 5 pieces of content in the day, absolutely fine. Spread them out across the day. Don't just put them out one after the other. Otherwise, again, it's just going to get lost in the feed. But if you put them out one every 2-3 hours, something like that, you've got a really good chance of your content getting seen, or at least one of those pieces of content getting seen. And if you're making it about a particular item that particular day, then you've got a possibility somebody might come to your profile to see what the rest of the videos are about as well.